Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly explain the DOM. It's an acronym for Document Object Model. Technically it's an API, an Application Programming Interface. It's an interface that's used for changing the content of a page, and it's arranged in a hierarchical tree. Our DOM is a representation of an HTML document, and this tree contains nodes. The first child of our document is the HTML root element. So our HTML tags enclose all of this content, including the head and the body elements, which are here and here. The head can contain a title and some text, which you see right here. And the body can contain some various HTML elements, like a div tag. By interacting with this DOM, we can change the elements of a web page. Document is the entry point of our DOM. If I typed console.log document, this would display my DOM and everything within it. So we have document, our HTML node, the head, and the body, and a bunch of stuff within those nodes too. Now, if you were to type console.dir, then pass document as an argument, this will list all of the properties of your DOM. If I need access to the title of my document, I can access that by typing document.title property, and then I'll display this console.log document.title. And the title of my document is, well, document. Or I could get the URL, console.log document.url. So this is my URL. And you can change these properties too. I can change the title of my web page, document.title, set this equal to something. Title goes here. And taking a look at this tab of my web browser, you can see that it says title goes here. I can even change the location. Document.location, I'll set this equal to Google. So http://www.google.com. Then when I save this, it takes me to Google. By accessing the DOM, I have access to my body element, and I can change something about the body of my document. If I would like to change the background color, I would type document dot the name of the node, body in this case, and I will set the style background color sky blue. And this will change the background color of the body of my document. If I need to change some HTML element, like this div tag, I could type document.get element by ID, and we will search for an ID within our DOM, like my div. And I can set the inner HTML equal to some text, like hello. Hello. That's a quick summary of what the DOM is. It's an API, an application programming interface. It's an interface for changing the content of a page. We can change content without having to reload the page to reflect any changes. Document is the access point. Each node can contain an object. This tree is a model. So it's a document object model, a DOM. And in the next few topics, I'll demonstrate how we can search for given elements and traverse nodes. So that is a quick overview of what the DOM is.